Hello everyone! Today we will create a responsive table. It is very easy to make and can be used in your projects. You can apply it to different devices, such as tablets and phones, as well as larger screens. Let's get started. Start by creating a frame in Figma. Align it both horizontally and vertically for a balanced layout. Add a stroke to the frame and adjust the color. I'll reduce it to dark gray for a subtle look. Convert the frame to an auto layout frame. Rename the frame to keep things organized. Select the text tool and type your text. But wait, where did our frame go? If the frame shrinks when you type, it's because its resizing mode is set to hug contents, which makes it adjust to the text. We don't want this, so we'll change the resizing mode to fixed width, ensuring the frame stays the same size. Change the resizing mode to fixed width, ensuring the frame stays the same size. Now, let's also apply auto layout to the text. By selecting Shift and A, rename the text layer for better organization. Select text and add fill. Add a color to the text, and you can also increase its size as shown in the video. You may notice extra space between the text and the frame. We don't need that, so set the spacing to 0. For better visual clarity, let's add a stroke at the bottom. Click the plus button in the stroke section. Select the stroke per side option and apply the stroke to the bottom. Adjust the stroke color as needed. Copy the text layer. Select both text layers and apply auto layout again. Change the direction gap to vertical layout. Rename the text layers and duplicate them as needed. Select the entire column and duplicate it multiple times. To make the columns fill the container, change each column's resizing option to Fill Container. I only need 4 columns, so I'll delete the 5th one. If the columns still don't fill the container, it's because each individual text layer also needs to have its resizing option set to Fill Container. By holding the Shift key, you can select multiple options at once, making the process faster. Now the container has some empty space. Set the resizing mode to hug contents so that the table adjusts to fit the columns properly. Next, let's update the table colors using specific color codes. Select the top section of the table and insert the desired color code. For the container stroke, I will apply a different color code. Let's make the rest of the table white color. Select the container. Press Shift plus Enter to select all layers within the container. Press Shift again and manually click the top layers to unselect them. Now, apply a white color to the selected layers. With these adjustments, our table is now fully responsive and visually polished. I've already created the necessary components, so we'll add a profile picture for each tab. Select each tab and insert a profile picture. Once all pictures are added, select them and press the left arrow key on your keyboard to align them to the left. I'll make slight adjustments to the column. Select a tab, set its resizing mode to Fixed Width, and align it to the left. Add padding for better spacing. To speed up the process, you can select multiple tabs and apply these changes at once. Rename the second tab, then rename all other tabs accordingly. Since we applied auto layout, adding icons next to the text will automatically distribute the spacing correctly. Select all icons and press the left arrow key again to align them. For the status section, I'll add buttons and adjust them just like we did for the icons.